This DEWALT 9-tool combo kit is an absolute powerhouse for any job. Every tool feels solid and delivers top-tier performance, and the cordless design makes working so much easier. The 2 batteries last surprisingly long, and the charger is fast, keeping downtime minimal. From the drill to the saw, each tool is well-balanced and built to last. If you want a reliable all-in-one set for serious projects, this is worth every penny. BIHUI Trowel set offers a practical solution for evenly applying adhesive during tile installation. It includes 6 interchangeable tri-blades with different notch sizes, ensuring compatibility with various tile types and dimensions. Made from durable stainless steel, the blades provide long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic aluminum handle reduces hand fatigue during prolonged use. A quick release mechanism allows for effortless blade changes, making it convenient for both right and left-handed users. Housed in a ventilated storage case, this set is an ideal choice for professional tiling projects. Wolfcraft Drill Stand and Vise is a dependable and versatile tool designed to improve drilling accuracy and stability. Built for durability, it provides a steady base for even the most demanding tasks. With adjustable height and angle, it adapts to various project needs, ensuring precision. The sturdy base prevents slipping, while the depth stop and table guard protect surfaces from damage. Suitable for both round and flat materials, the lever-operated lowering system delivers smooth and controlled drilling every time. Weller Super Pro PSI 100K is a powerful and portable cordless butane soldering iron perfect for professionals and DIYers alike. With self-ignition for quick startup, it heats up fast and delivers precise, reliable performance for soldering heat, shrinking, and cutting applications. The adjustable temperature control ensures versatility, while the butane fuel system offers cordless convenience with long-lasting use. Its ergonomic design and included accessories make it a must-have for fieldwork or workshop projects. Durable and efficient, this kit is a great investment for anyone needing high-quality on-the-go soldering. While stick handheld mini electric drill offers a perfect blend of precision and portability in a compact cordless design. This kit comes with 8 durable steel drill bits ranging from 0.3 to 0.087 inches, making it ideal for woodworking, jewelry making, and other delicate tasks. With a maximum speed of 420 RPM, it ensures quiet and accurate performance. The upgraded Type-C charging port allows for fast recharging, while the one-button operation makes it user-friendly. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this drill is an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Ingersoll Rand G5351K 2020-volt cordless angle grinder is a powerhouse tool designed for professionals who need portability without sacrificing performance. With an 8,000 RPM motor and 1 horsepower output, it delivers exceptional cutting and grinding power, making it ideal for metalwork fabrication and automotive jobs. The 20-volt battery system provides long-lasting runtime, and the ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. Its 4.5-inch wheel size offers versatility, while the 2-battery kit keeps you working without interruptions. Reliable, durable, and high-performing, this tool is a must-have for anyone needing a cordless grinder. Pure Disc Set is a high-performance solution designed for variable speed angle grinders. This versatile set includes fiber non-woven and felt discs with a 4.5-inch diameter and a 5/8 11 thread size, making it ideal for everything from rough grinding to pre-polishing and high-gloss finishing. The innovative cooling groove geometry enhances airflow, reducing heat stress on both the abrasive and the workpiece. A durable mounting system and a specially designed support disc allow for quick disc replacement, ensuring smooth and efficient operation even during demanding tasks. This 2,500 lumen LED work light is a game-changer for mechanics and DIYers, offering powerful brightness and a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery for long-lasting performance. Its magnetic base and adjustable hooks provide hands-free convenience, making it perfect for underhood repairs, garages, or emergencies. The cordless, portable design ensures easy maneuverability, while the durable construction withstands tough work environments. Whether for car repairs or workshop tasks, this work light delivers reliable illumination anytime, anywhere. TOAT Flexible Shaft is a versatile rotary tool accessory featuring a 1/8-inch chuck perfect for precision work in tight spaces. It excels in engraving, threading, and polishing, offering unrestricted movement with its 42-inch drive shaft. Designed for easy installation and replacement, its lightweight construction ensures effortless handling and portability. Built from durable aluminum and plastic, this tool guarantees long-term reliability across various applications. This portable tire inflator delivers fast and powerful inflation with its 160 psi capacity and 21V rechargeable battery, making it perfect for cars, motorcycles, and e-bikes. With dual power supply modes, you'll never be stranded whether using the battery or plugging it into your vehicle. The handheld lightweight design ensures easy handling, while the high-efficiency motor inflates tires 2 times faster than standard pumps. A built-in digital display and LED light make nighttime use effortless, making this a must-have for road trips and emergencies. Tornado Cleaning Tool is designed for powerful and efficient dirt and dust removal, featuring a patented spring mechanism that enhances torque. Its ergonomic handle and trigger provide improved comfort and control, while the built-in air regulator allows for precise pressure adjustment. The non-slip base ensures the 32-ounce high-density plastic canister stays upright. Constructed from durable aluminum with a painted finish, it offers customization with interchangeable grips and handles. A tactical LED flashlight adds visibility in dark areas, making it perfect for both interior and exterior cleaning tasks. K-Tool International 3-ton aluminum floor jack is a heavy-duty, yet lightweight solution for garages, repair shops, and DIY enthusiasts. With a 6,000 pounds capacity and a lifting range of 3.75 inches to 19.25 inches, it handles low-profile and high-clearance vehicles with ease. The dual-pump hydraulic system ensures fast, effortless lifting, while the reinforced aluminum frame provides durability without excessive weight. Its wide base and rubber saddle pad enhance stability and protect vehicle surfaces. Designed for performance and reliability, this jack is a must-have for serious mechanics and car enthusiasts. BIHUI Rider Stand is a versatile and durable tool holder designed for 4 to 5-inch angle grinders. Its quick clamp mechanism enables seamless angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, ensuring precision and control for various cutting applications. With a compact design, it fits effortlessly into any workspace, while the spring-loaded system ensures consistent operation and quick return to the starting position. Constructed with a sturdy cast-iron base and an aluminum bed, it offers exceptional stability and long-lasting durability. Cricut Basic Tool Set is a must-have for crafting enthusiasts, offering precision and ease for vinyl paper and iron on projects. This 5-piece kit includes essential tools like a weeder scraper, scissors, tweezers, and spatula, making intricate designs effortless. Designed to complement Cricut cutting machines, it ensures clean cuts, smooth application, and easy material removal. The ergonomic design provides comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during long crafting sessions. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this set is the perfect companion for flawless DIY creations. Worx Nitro Cordless Nail Gun is powered by the PowerShare battery system, which is compatible with approximately 140 Worx power tools. Offering high performance, this nailer can drive up to 80 nails per minute, making it a reliable choice for various projects. Equipped with advanced nail force impact technology, it ensures strong penetration, allowing nails to be driven into hardwood surfaces with ease. The tool supports nail depths of up to 2 inches and includes a jam release function for quick removal of stuck nails. For added safety and convenience, it features nail ejection protection during nail changes. Additionally, the quick release magazine allows for fast and efficient reloading, ensuring seamless workflow on any job.